Hey guys, I want to do a quick vlog here from the SJBBVideos YouTube channel. So we've just paid for a premium seat, which is £25 per annual pass holder, or £30 if you do not have an annual pass. Literally, this is just after Papa Mole's, just overlooking Miniland. Literally, there's 4 rows of seats sold out. Loads and loads of people booked into this. So we've got a little goodie bag. It includes also hot drinks and basically a nice comfortable seating for the viewing. So yeah, this is it. So I'll quickly give you a show what's in the goodie bag now, and yeah, so seems pretty good. It's not too bad. It's our first time doing this, so we thought why not pay the extra money this time. And yeah, so let's go for the goodie bag. So you get your own very own lucky Legoland little bag here. So you get your lanyard. I remember lanyard's usually about £4 anyway, and then you got the premium brick seating in the little copy holder. Friday the 27th of October 2017. So yeah, the lanyard's about £4 anyway. Get you a little build. Same one? Yeah, same one. I think everyone gets the same one, same keyring and everything as well. So that's another £4, so that's £8. Little keyring. Again, £4. Also you take 10% off if you have annual pass discount. Just shove that in there. 3D glasses. Oh, they're different this year. These £1.50 usually. And your limited edition pop badge, which not too bad either. So that's it. Not bad. So we got about £12, bit more of that worth of merchandise. So yeah, that's everything. So we're gonna have fun building these later. Yeah, so this is your viewing area. There's a lot of people still yet to arrive, so get this picked up. So that's just literally all the fireworks get launched over there. Yeah. That's pretty much the whole viewing area. So give you a little bit of sneak peek of the fireworks, won't record it all. But yeah, so £25. £30 usually for non-annual pass holders, and yeah, so we'll just wait for our drink orders to come around, and so we get a hot chocolate and a snack as well. So it's not too bad. It kind of pays out. Plus you get your own little seat as well. So yeah, so that's the review of. So that's the little review of them. Right now it's starting to get darker. I'll quickly give you another quick review. So also in the goodie bag you've got the lanyard, the 3D glasses, the mini build, lanyard. Keyring and everything. So far we've got in, it's been really welcoming. All seats are signed with your name. If you haven't got an annual pass with you, you need to bring it with you as well if you did buy the annual pass. Discount tickets. I'm speaking up loudly now because also you might not be able to hear me. Food wise found blueberry muffins, raspberry muffins, chocolate muffins, hot chocolate tea, coffee, squash, jammy dodgers, oat biscuits. We've got our money's worth, and for our staff here are great, so it's a great way to spend the evening. So we've just arrived here when it first opened up, so also we can have fiery, first dibs on food, but there's literally a couple of servers around. So thank you, massive shout out to them if they are watching. Yeah, we're just waiting for the fireworks show to start, and yeah, it's been great atmosphere, great worth value for money, and yeah, well worth it. So we'll just wait for the fireworks to start. Until then, still getting ready for the fireworks to start. This is the overlapping area of Miniland. Like I said, just behind me is Space Tower, and then the rest of the previous seating there above. We're behind the Papa Mole's restaurant, just behind Miniland. Where everyone's getting ready for the fireworks. It's about 15 minutes away now. Still listening to the music. I hope you can hear me, but yeah, it's been a good offer at this previous seating. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So yeah, so I guess I'll some fireworks for you just shortly after it starts. Until we just enjoy the music. So yeah, next thing you'll see will be the fireworks. It'll only be a short snippet, about a minute or two there. Yeah. Hey guys, so the end of the fireworks experience now, we're just literally about to leave the entrance. Quick roundup, so it was £25 per person with annual pass discount of £30 without. Includes goodie bag, which includes pot badge, lanyard, minifigure, and mini build, and yeah, pretty much, and the 3D glasses. So not bad, but it's about £18 worth of product and merchandise. And then you also had muffins, hot chocolate, tea, coffee, squash for the kids, mixture of biscuits, from oat biscuits to jammy dodgers to bonbons, and then you of course you got what you paid for, which was the premium seating. So it was good. I recorded different segments of it and I got the finale. Not sure how it turned out because there was a metal fence in our way, just above. But it's a good experience, I'll recommend it. Also it's £30 per person if you have got a day ticket, or we can be quite expensive if you have a family of 4 or more with the kids. And we can stand in the light actually so you can see me better. And so yeah, it was definitely a good experience. I had a VIP experience as well, which is in the Imagination Centre. I've never done that, I probably never will do that because of it's £95 per person. But yeah, it's all good. Hope you liked it, guys. This video will be up after fireworks ends, compared to at the beginning, because obviously I've got a lot to catch up with of Halloween stuff and that. So like I was saying, so yeah, I know obviously it'll be close season for Legoland by the time this video's up, but I just wanted to do it anyway for next year, just in case if they do bring it back, which probably will do. Just give you a quick tip of what it will be. Things will be different next year, obviously it might be a different theme, so a different Lego minifigure, etc, etc, but yeah, so still hope you enjoyed it anyway, and yeah, like I said, if you like it guys, have any questions or any comments, let me know below. Until then, yeah, see you in the next adventure.